Hey guys, Stuart here. Welcome back to another Sheetify tutorial. Today's focus is to show you how to hide Google Sheets tabs, formulas, columns, and rows. Okay, so here we are inside my Sheetify CRM. This is an all-in-one Google Sheets CRM template built for small businesses. If you're interested in learning more about our Sheetify CRM or other business toolkits, I'll add the relevant resources and tutorials down below in the description. Okay, so first, how can you hide a tab? Well, as you can see, we're currently on contacts and leads. What I can do is click this arrow here and navigate up to hide sheet. And as you can see, the sheet has been hidden. Now, if we navigate over to this menu on the left-hand side, you can see all the different sheets inside your file. You can also see these hidden sheets over here. If we click on a hidden sheet, for example, this sheet that we just hid, that's going to open up and unhide that sheet. So a use case for this would be if someone was using our Sheetify CRM, this Google Sheets template, and some of these tabs were not relevant to them, for example, client tasks, then they could simply hide this tab. Next, how can you hide formulas? For example, if I jump into my sales pipeline here, this is a tab that shows pipeline deals. Now, if I click on one of these rows, you will see the formula up here. Now, to hide this formula, what we can do is navigate up to View, then hover over Show, and click on Formula Bar. And as you can see, that hides that formula bar. Now, if I click on any of these rows, the formula is hidden. And you'll notice that this formula bar is hidden across all your different sheets. To show this formula bar, simply navigate up to View, Show, and select Formula Bar again. And that formula bar will appear up here. Okay, let's navigate over to this tab over here, Contacts and Leads again. Now, you can also hide columns as well as rows. To hide a column, let's say I want to hide first name, simply click on the column, click on the drop down, and then navigate down to hide column. And as you can see, that column is now hidden. Maybe there's a column inside your sheet that you want to hide, you can simply go ahead and do that. This is better than deleting columns, especially if you're using a template like Sheetify CRM and there's a column that you do not want to see, then you can simply hide that column. That way you're not going to disrupt any formulas. Okay, let's navigate across. The issue with this is it's hard to tell if a column is hidden. You can only tell by these little arrows up here. To expand that column again, simply click here, and it's going to open up that column. Now you can do the same with rows. For example, Jack King, this row here, I can right click, navigate down, and click on hide row. And that's going to hide that row. Again, you can see these little arrows that show that there is a hidden row. Click here to make that row visible. You can also highlight, right click, and hide all rows. 6 to 11 rows. However, it's as simple as that to hide Google Sheets tabs, formulas, columns, and rows. Again, if you have any questions about our Sheetify CRM toolkits, I will add the relevant resources and tutorials down below in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and that way I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.